Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 3rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I'm definitely still looking at this as either an expanding flat or a running flat. I think we're in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of an expanding flat or possibly a running flat wave C. If it's an expanding flat, then it will most likely take out these previous highs. If it's a running flat, then it will definitely make a lower high and possibly make a turn at like the 100% or the 123.6. So going down to the weekly time frame, we definitely got a pretty significant pullback, but when you're looking at it on the weekly time frame, it really doesn't look like anything too serious. It just looks like most likely just a correction within a bigger uptrend. I think, even though on the sort of time phase it kind of looks like a wave 4, I think this is actually just a subdivision of a much bigger wave 3. I think this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and then this is subdivisions 1, subdivision 2, and then we're in a wave 3 of that expanding flat or possibly running flat wave C. Taking it down to the daily time frame is where we got Fibonacci retracement on here. Now that we have a breaker structure, I definitely am looking for shorts. I would expect this first move down to be a wave A. And then at some point we probably are going to get a pretty significant pullback, which is a correction to the wave A, like a wave B, and probably another push down for a wave C. But now that we have a break, we're going to look for shorts, and if it turns into something besides an ABC correction, we should be looking for shorts anyways. So really shouldn't create a problem for us. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, this is definitely a downtrend right here. It's all lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Once we get a break of structure on around this 4 hour time frame, we can say that the wave A is over. We don't have that break of structure yet, so we can't really say yet that the wave A is over yet. If it goes up and breaks structure, then most likely what's going to happen next is that we're going to make a correction to the wave A for a wave B. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, the trend is definitely still down, like I was just explaining on the 4 hour. I do believe this is likely still a wave A. Now, if it goes up and breaks this structure, then obviously the wave A is over. And what comes after a wave A is normally a correction to the wave A. So if we actually zoom out a little bit on the 1 hour time frame, you can see the whole series of lower lows, lower highs. Once we get a break of this trend, we can pretty much say that this whole trend from here to here is over. We can put our Fibonacci retracement on there, and we can look for probably 3 waves up, which is a correction to the wave A. Because like I was explaining, we should get a wave A. It doesn't even have to start a wave B now, but if it does decide to go down, and then go up and break structure, then that would probably be the beginning of a wave B, which a wave B would be a correction to the wave A. But until we actually get, either a significant higher low or a break of structure, we can't even really say that the wave A is over yet, and that we are actually already in the wave B. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.